things he cared about was whiskey, guns, and trains. He promised sweet young Sadie he'd never cause her pain. What a dirty liar. Now Sadie hates the sound of the train. Sadie hates the sound of the train. She hears that clickety clickety clack. The train is rolling down the track. It rushes by and Sadie screams his name. But that no good lying Jack, he ain't ever coming back. She swears one day she's gonna stop that train. Jack caught a train, he headed west, no reason, no goodbye. For near on 7 years she wondered why, no why. She walked that platform every day just hoping he'd return. What a silly girl. The rage inside her burned. The rage inside her burned. She hears that clickety clickety clack. The train is rolling down the track. It rushes by and Sadie screams his name. But that no good lying Jack, he ain't ever coming back. She swears one day she's gonna stop that train. The sound of that train blowing reminds her she's nothing but a fool. For somewhere down that line is a man who up and left her. How could he be so cruel? She hears that clickety clickety clack. The train is rolling down the track. She steps down on the rails. This is the day. She hears the screeching of